everyone, my name is Matthew. I'm with Mastermind, Master Your Inabilities. I want to teach you some tips and tricks of what I learned through my life as struggling with obstacles. One thing I learned that joy is really a true power that can encourage you and actually build your character, your inner character. We're always so concerned with trying to build character, our outer character, but our outer character has nothing to do with our inner character, because our inner character reveals who we are on our outer character. So I'm going to teach you how to use joy to empower your emotions to get the things you need in life. We go through life and we are tempted through fear when we try to do something. If fear comes up when we try to do a goal. Fear comes up saying you can't do this, you can't do that, you don't have money for this. You don't have knowledge. It's a bunch of negativity that really stops you in your tracks. And then you agree with it. Where does these thoughts come from? Why would you sabotage your own goal, your own dream? These are questions that I had to ask, and I had to find out where it came from. And I learned quickly that do not agree with those thoughts, because it kills the ability of your dream. It brings sorrow, it brings bitterness, it brings anger, it brings jealousy, envy, strife, malice. It even brings poverty. And poverty is so powerful that it literally robs you of your joy. And this is something I learned going through life. So the one thing I want to teach you is do the opposite of that. Okay? And instead of being fearful, think about how you can do it. Okay? It is critical not to focus on the problem or that you're going through. It's critical to focus on the solution. That is where we go wrong. So it's like your mind is like a car. It can only go the direction that you tell it to. It can't go two directions. And that's where confusion comes in. And confusion is what deters people from doing anything at all. So as you're learning this, make sure you stay focused. I call it power focus. In other words, if something comes against my idea, I reject it and I emphasize it with something that I know I can do it, and I show that I can do it, which is building my character. It's building my determination, my will, my strength, my confidence. It's empowering me to have more faith in my own ability. And that is what really needs to happen. Most people do not believe in their own selves, and therefore they never try. It's because of past failures, and they don't know where they came from. And it came from negative thinking, that you couldn't do it and you never tried. So 3 things: make sure you focus on the positive. Anything come negative saying you cannot do it, reject it immediately, and then focus on how you can. You don't need to know the why, just start doing it and you'll have the ability to do it. The second thing is use hardships as a teaching tool. They're phenomenal. They actually really are good to learn. And it gives you a different attitude the way you look at things. And so wisdom comes through hardships. It allowed me to realize my weakness and my inner self, and by me applying the courage that I needed to as I was going through it, knowing that it was difficult and I wanted to give up, but I knew I couldn't, and I pursued it, and I was able to overcome something, and it built encouragement in me. And in fact, it built a lot of confidence. It built my will and the desire to pursue even further, knowing that I'm just that much closer to my goal. So to recap, focus on the positive. The positive will build encouragement, and that encouragement will build success. And so if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me at matthew810@me.com. I'd be glad to answer your questions and help you build a successful life. God bless you guys. Bye.